Insurance agents and financial advisors. Nahihirapan ka bang ipaintindi kay client kung magkano talaga ang kailangan nila para sa retirement at protection? Good news! May tool ka na makakatulong sa'yo na gawing visual, simple at relatable ang numbers para mas madaling maintindihan ni client. This is the helpful customized calculator for insurance agents. Isang easy-to-use tool na makakatulong sa iyo at sa clients mo to clearly see their retirement and life insurance needs. Ito yung mga key features at benefits ng tool na to. Number 1, retirement fund needed. Just input yung edad ni client ngayon, gusto niyang retirement age, at current monthly income niya. Automatic makikita na ni client kung magkano ang total fund na kailangan niya for all his or her retirement years. Kasama pa ang breakdown ng monthly or yearly expenses niya during retirement. Ang dali, ang clear. Number 2, recommended monthly savings. Base sa computation, makikita agad ang suggested monthly savings para maabot ang retirement goal ni client. No more guessing game. Number 3, time to save, months and years. Makikita rin kung gaano katagal siya dapat na mag-ipon, ilang months at ilang years, para alam niya kung realistic ba at kung gaano kaiksi o kahaba ang journey ng kanyang pag-iipon para sa retirement years niya. Number 4, accumulated savings versus needed fund. Kung gusto ni client mag-save on his own, makikita niya ang total accumulated savings compared to the total retirement fund needed. At dito rin makikita ang shortfall o kulang para ma-visualize niya kung bakit kailangan niya ng plan. Number 5, bonus feature ito, flexible savings simulation. Pwede mong tanungin si client, magkano ba ang kaya mong i-save monthly? Input mo lang yon and automatically mako-compute kung pagkano ang possible na maipon niya before retirement. Nakikita agad yun ni client kung realistic ba ang target niya. Number 6, life insurance need calculator. Based on client's monthly income, mako-compute agad kung magkano ang life insurance coverage na kailangan niya. Simple, direct, at malinaw para makasigurado na ang pamilya ay protected. With this tool, hindi ka na mahihirapan magpaliwanag gamit ang mahabang slides o complicated na charts. Client will see the numbers clearly, makaka-relate siya at mas madali kang makakapag-build ng trust. Kung gusto mong mas maging efficient at professional sa client presentations mo, this helpful customized calculator is for you. It is not just about selling, it's about helping clients understand their future. Message us if gusto mo nitong tool na to.